So I've posted photos of my workspace on Instagram a few times, and you've all seen in the background when I'm streaming. But I'm always asked about what is my workspace really like. So here it is. This is the tour of my workspace. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Fergie and I'm a UX designer from London. In this video, I'm sharing with you how I set up my space and everything that I use. I'll leave links down below in the description, but let me know in the comments, what do you want to add to your workspace? First up, I have two laptops. My work laptop is a 15-inch MacBook Pro from 2018 with 16GB of RAM and an i7 processor. My personal laptop is a 16-inch custom-build MacBook Pro with 32GB of RAM and an upgraded graphics card. I keep my laptop protected in a shell case and cover it with fun stickers. I keep my laptops on the Rain Design swivel stand so that I can have it at eye level and tuck the second one that I'm not using out of the way. My monitor is also on a stand, freeing up desk space for me to tuck away my keyboard, iPad and notebooks. My iPad usually goes everywhere with me. It's really quick and easy for taking notes, drawing, or even sketching up some wireframes on the go. That being said, you can't beat good old-fashioned pen and paper. I keep my work and personal notes in separate notebooks, and this is usually where all the planning happens for my big ideas. Sometimes a laptop screen just isn't big enough, so I have an LG IPS monitor. It has an ultra-wide 29-inch screen and a 25-degree tilt for finding the perfect comfortable angle and is great for all of my design work. For keyboard, I just use the Apple Magic Keyboard with number pad. And I really like the soft touch keys because it's the same as the keyboard on the MacBook. I also have the smaller Magic Keyboard that I use when I'm traveling for work because it's so easy to just put into my backpack along with the MacBook Pro. I recently swapped my Magic Mouse for the Logitech MX Master 2S and I love it. It is so comfortable. It has a vertical and horizontal scroll, as well as 3 buttons that you can set to custom controls. I have mine set to mimic trackpad gestures. And I can sync it to multiple machines and swap at the tap of a button, which is really great because it means I can use it across both of my laptops. For streaming, I use my GoPro Hero 5, mounted on a table stand with an X-Steady frame and connected with a video capture card. But for Zoom meetings, I just use the built-in FaceTime camera. Top tip, when you're just starting out to stream, don't spend loads of money on a stream deck. I use this really inexpensive and super cute keypad from Amazon, linked to hotkeys in OBS. have two graphics tablets. The first one I bought was the Wacom Bamboo back when I was at uni because of its backpack friendly size. The Intuos 2 takes up most of my small desk space, so I like having options until I have space for a larger desk. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe! The microphone I use is a Blue Yeti Nano. I bought it on eBay for a discounted price because it was brand new but didn't have a box. It's always great to shop around. And I just have it mounted on a boom arm, so it's easy to adjust the position. I have plenty of gadgets, but my smartwatch and phone are what keep me on track. I have a OnePlus 5T and the Kate Spade Scallop 3 smartwatch. For lighting, I have two simple ring lights from Amazon, as well as two colour-changing LED lights that are great for setting a mood or creating an aesthetic. I have them set up so that the light bounces off the wall rather than shining directly onto my face. And it's really easy to control from the app on my phone. I also have groovy LED light strips underneath my desk that I can set the colour of with the app on my phone, or I can set them in a random sequence or even to music. They are just really great for setting the mood to work hard and play hard too. I have the iMount electrical standing desk. This is something that I switched to when we started to work remotely last year. I bought the frame again on eBay because it was a much more affordable price than I was finding elsewhere. I bought the worktop separately so that it would match my furniture and fit into my small space. The great thing about this frame is that it is extendable, so when I move I can extend it to the full length and have a larger desk. I think we all know the pain of working from home with an uncomfortable chair. So I took the decision to buy a Secretlab Omega chair in the cookies and cream softweave fabric. And I have zero regrets. Of course, I have to mention accessories, and I have a collection of headphones as well as a tripod. I don't know about you, but something that I started to miss pretty quickly was the work stationery cupboard. So I bought this acrylic drawer set from Amazon and made sure that I had all of the Sharpies a UX designer could dream of, as well as pens and pencils galore, and even a little UI stencil. And lastly, would it even be a desk space without all of the accessories, connectors, dongles, adapters, USB sticks? We've all got them somewhere, so I just keep them neatly, again in some acrylic drawers. And well, there we have it. That is my complete desk tour. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it useful to see all of the equipment that I use and how I use it. Don't forget, I've put the links in the description so you can also buy anything that you may have seen and liked. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.